All right, peace and blessings. My name is Sister Angelica X. We are out here serving our community, making our communities a decent and safe place to live. Within that, we also are having the residents involved as well. We have the children behind us. They worked hard. They cleaned up. They put in that work, right? So, of course, we got to serve our children, bring them some good food. So, at the end of the day, you know, our thing is just tapping in within ourselves and knowing that at the end of the day, if we want to see a change, we have to be the one to do it, right? So I thank you all, appreciate it. Love, light, healing.
It's cool to be smart.
Yes, sir. Got something to say to the camera?
We're tough, we're strong, and we kung fu, and we kick people's butt.
Yes, sir. Got something to say to the camera?
I know you. Ooh.
You got something to say to the camera, little bro?
Yeah, keep the community clean, get good grades in school, and play sports. I'm trying to tell you, that really gonna help you.
Yes, sir.
Shout out, man, to the Nation of Islam. It's cool to be smart, man. For inviting me to come up to do the clean out in Summer's here. You know what I mean? Y'all get up out here, come and help us, bro. That's what we need to do for the community, man.
What I want to say to the camera?
He said, homie, he just took my phone. That's crazy.
What you want to say to the camera, man? You don't know? I appreciate y'all for helping us clean up. You want to say something? So ain't none of y'all got no Instagram?
Don't litter no more. Don't litter. Don't litter.
Don't litter.
Feed the earth.
Feed the earth.
Touch it. Real. Real.
Yeah, gang. This is the gang right here. What's our gang?
Do it.
Y'all know my son? My son be up here. Taiwan. Yeah. Yup. Y'all know him? Yup. Son of who?
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Steve Muhammad, and I'm here helping to do a cleanup. And the issue is that today we have to begin to take responsibility for our own communities to make a decent and safe place to live, because out here they have not picked up the garbage and it's like overflowing. And so to a large degree, it's not really our fault that our condition is the way it is. What it is that we rely too much on government to do what they're not going to do. So we need to do it ourselves. We need to take back our power. We need to take back control of our own communities. And that's just what I wanted to say. Thank you, brother.